My name is Amy Elizabeth Gallenbeck, and I am from Atlanta, Georgia. This will be my second time. When I was younger, I wanted to attend vet school, so that was why I first visited, to spend time with the elephants. And I took my career path a different way, but I still enjoy animals, so I come back to spend time with the elephants from time to time. I think definitely just spending time with the elephants and learning their habits and their hobbies and tracking their data and really just understanding who they are. I think it impacts it a lot because it's constantly changing. So of course, just like the ecosystem is constantly changing, it's just understanding what needs to happen and take place in our world constantly over the years. So far, aside from the elephants, this morning we did see a baby cheetah climb a tree, and it was very exciting and overwhelming and just fun to watch. I would say do your research before you come. It's important to know what you're getting yourself into, and pack some bug spray because you're going to be outside a lot, but you will enjoy every moment you have here. Exciting, extraordinary, rememberable. I always get a little sad knowing that my exit date is soon, but I know my coming back date will be just around the corner again next year.